Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, coming to you from Roberts, Wisconsin, and hopefully my soil is on the way, so it's going to show up here within about a half hour, and then I can get my sunflower wall completed, get all my trees planted, and get my fruit tree guilds planted out today. So just waiting on soil, and then when I'm adding all the soil, and getting these trees in the ground, I will be waiting for my mulch order. So I'm just imagining how many wheelbarrows of soil. That's going to be at least 10. So about 80 cubic feet. It's 320 square feet is the sunflower wall. So we're going to put about 4 inches of soil on that, and about 4 or 5 inches of mulch on top of that. And then I'm going to plant 20 sunflower plants that are already, a couple are 4 feet high already, and then I'm going to seed it out with thousands of sunflowers, and it's going to be a beautiful sunflower wall of all different types, all different sizes. So you're going to have a layered wall of sunflowers, and then we're going to put in about 45 trees around the outside edge of the property as a scenic windbreak. And on the left side is, you got the sunflower wall, then you have chokeberry, 4 chokeberry bushes, and then we have 3 hazelnuts, 2 butternut, 2 hazelnuts along this side. And a hazelnut and a butternut are butternuts are very large trees, so you need about 30 to 50 feet in between each one, because they have extensive root systems, so they need space to grow. But those are going to be along this side. And then we have some existing oak trees, 3 existing oak trees, and then from the edge along the back side of the property, we're starting with a poplar, spruce, poplar, spruce, poplar, 2 maples, another poplar, 2 maples, and another spruce and poplar, and then we're getting 3 river birch, and then 4 red maples, and then a couple of poplars and spruces and white pine. So a lot of trees going in the ground, and they're small trees, so the holes don't have to be very big, so it's going to go pretty quick. It's going to take me, the most time consuming thing is moving soil from point A to point B. It's going to be about 100 feet each way, and then to the fruit tree guilds. If I had the budget for this install, I would have gotten myself a mini skid, a mini bobcat, a little ditch witch, whatever, with a bucket on it, and use that to move this soil around, which would have, wow, there's a bald eagle right above me. Or no, that's not an eagle. What am I thinking? Too small. Anyway, yeah, that would really I could do this in an hour if I had the mini skid steer, but like I said, I didn't have the budget to do this, and it's just gonna take a few hours. It's supposed to rain by 4 o'clock today, so I'm gonna try and get this done by 4. I have no doubt I'll get all the trees in the ground before 4 o'clock, once the soil shows up. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place all the trees in their proper homes or in front of their holes that I have already dug. And then once the soil shows up, I'm going to put all those trees in the ground. And once those are finished, I'm going to start my sunflowers. And then I'm going to do the fruit tree guilds after that. So we'll see. I'm pretty hopeful I can get done by 4 o'clock. It's just a lot of but working with this soil, I've had it before and it's pretty loose, so it's easy to shovel into the wheelbarrows. I've had some where it's tightly packed soil. It's just a pain in the ass, but this soil is really good. I've had it on a couple of other installs. It's a garden soil compost mix, and I get a great price on it, but the soil is amazing. It's everything I plant in this soil does very well, and I add my own stuff to the soil as well. But anyway, as soon as I get all the trees in place, my soil shows up, I'm going to start getting these trees in the ground. I'm going to do some filming as I do that. But stay tuned in a little while. Grow food, not lawns, my friends.